Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Now, today we'll be talking about the three planets. The three planets most sensitive are the Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars. Jupiter, Saturn, no event can happen as per astrology until unless Jupiter and Saturn activate a particular sign. Now, and whatever the sensitive points are, the sensitive arc in the globe, as far as the astrology is concerned, till Mars activates it, nothing can happen. So today we will be talking about the red planet Mars key parameter to activate the sensitive arc in Capricorn, the 18 and 19 degrees. It is most sensitive, whether it is earthquake, whether it is war, or whether it is something to do with stock and financial markets. No, as far as the lunation chart of the 12th February is concerned, now in the lunation chart of the 12th February 2021, the 18 and 19 degrees arc is most sensitive because their planetary war between Jupiter and Venus has taken place, which is a combination of bloodshed as per the mundane classic of Mute Chitram, and also as per K.N. Rao, by the paper produced by him in October 2010 when I was in research class. He says that this conjunction is bloodshed. And this 18 degrees, 19 degrees arc, things will change, especially when Mars and Saturn change signs, stars, mode. But things would happen with velocity and with, more dimension when Mars activates this point, and this 18 and 19 degrees arc will be activated by Mars after the 25th April to 17th May 2021. Whether it is stock markets, whether it is war, brawl between the nations, I'm talking globally, but as far as India is concerned, the relation with the neighbors can go for a toss after the 12th of February. Irrespective that there has been a disengagement. I don't believe China. I have more confidence in astrology than China. China can turn anytime, and especially when China is running the dasha of Mercury, Rahu. Mercury is most afflicted in the 9th house as the 9th lord, and in transit also Mercury is fallen, retrograde, combusted in the ascendant, and Mercury is psychology. The moment Mercury changes its mood on the 21st of February, and especially when Mars also changes sign and goes in the sign Taurus and joins Rahu, and Mars also ingresses in the Rohini Nakshatra, it will be most enigmatic. You wait and see, you will see for yourself as per the book of Mundane Astrology Guide Mr. K.N. Rao. And between 25th April to 16th of May, there is Veda between Mars and Saturn. It is the most enigmatic time frame. So friends, whether it is stock market, whether it is earthquake, or whether it is brawl between the nations, they can go for a toss. The only grace is if we compare these planets, these 6 planets in the sign, earthy sign Capricorn, with 5th February 1962, when there were 8 planets, Mars was also one of them. But here the grace is Mars is not there, but Mars is in square position, friends. So when it reaches the sign Cancer, and when it reaches the sign Gemini and aspects Ketu, degree wise, and then there is Veda between these 3 planets. Saturn will be in Shravana, Mars will be in Ardra, there will be a Veda in the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra and also in the Rashi Sanghata Chakra. From the sign Gemini, the planets in the sign Capricorn will be aspected by, there will be Veda. So friends, this is all not good. So what my point is, what I want to say, that when Mars activates it will be the most Venus time. The stock markets have already become flat on the 12th. They have changed the mood. They were strong bearish, strong bullish signs till the 12th, and on the 12th the market closed flat. So irrespective whether it goes for a small surge even, but there will be no major surge as can be seen, especially after the 16th February and 21st February when Mars changes sign and Mercury also becomes direct. You wait and see. So friends, Mercury is also psychology of the customer. Mercury and Moon both together in the 12th February 2021 in the sign Capricorn. So this is all I just wanted to say. Whether it is wars, whether it is earthquakes, or whether it is stock and financial markets, whether it is untoward happening, until unless they keep planet Mars, red planet Mars activated, nothing big can happen. I'm not making this video now. I've written this article. Nobody has read this article. People only listen to videos and they start reacting. They don't read. They don't have the patience to read the article. You must read the articles before you comment. And you wait and see. Between 25th of April to 16th of May, everything can go for a toss. There may not be major war. There can be brick batting because Mars is not a part of in the Capricorn sign, but it is in square position. So the things may not be very big, but definitely there will be brick batting between the nations, whether it is between US and China, whether it is China and India, whether it is China and Hong Kong, whether it is China and Taiwan, the relation can go for a toss. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. These two articles I'll mention what I've written in this video, and thank you for listening to me and have a great day.